Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use the Spotify Equalizer. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed into your account. Now open the Spotify menu and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Audio Quality section. Here, you can find different audio-related settings. However, if you are using Spotify on a computer or web browser, you may not see an equalizer option. That's because the Spotify Equalizer is not available on every platform or version of Spotify. So if the equalizer option is not shown in your settings, there is no equalizer setting that you can change from this screen. You can still adjust the available audio quality settings according to your preference. If you want to use Spotify's equalizer, you can check the Spotify app on a supported mobile device, where the equalizer feature may be available. The exact options can vary depending on your device, Spotify version, and account. So if you do not see equalizer in Spotify settings on your computer, don't worry. Your Spotify version simply does not provide that option in this location, and that's how you can check for the Spotify equalizer in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Spotify tutorials.